Oh,
It's
hey,
oh my god, he's
hiccup,
hot.
Cause he's gotten really like.
Oh my
hot.
god,
I mean,
he's
I'm into
hot.
people, you know, I'm not attracted to animated
Baby's
characters.
all grown
Totally
up.
insane human, but like he got really
And it's
hot.
so
I mean
wrong,
tall.
cause he's
I mean,
like
tall.
so totally unfairly hot.
Yeah,
he's so
oh my
hot. Like oh my god, he's
in my mouth.
hot.
I know that's weird, but like
Baby's all grown up, and it's so messed up.
so like
because
freaking
he
unfairly
got
hot.
So hot. In all the years he was gone, he's so high. He's so high. He's so fucking hot.
Did you guys see the How to Train Your Dragon 2 trailer? Like,
He's so
hiccup,
damn
he's pretty hot, you know?
Like oh my god,
He's like really
he's
fucking hot.
hot.
I mean, I always thought he was hot before. Well,
He's
no,
so
I didn't.
damn
I thought he was like short before, and he's taller now, you know? Yeah, I don't know.
Like oh my god, he's hot.
I just think
like
he's
ridiculous.
fucking hot. I'm sorry.